students, families, staff, and community members, this video is to show you the step-by-step guide to access Schoology. Step 1. Visit lms.lausd.net. This should bring you to the Schoology landing page. Step 2. Select your role. If you are a parent, select Parent. If you are a student, select Student. If you are an employee, select Employee. If you are a student and want to use your QR code, please select that option. Step 3. Type in your email address and password. Then click Next. This should take you to the Schoology home landing page. Step 4. On the top left corner, click on Courses. Then select the Evergreen Avenue Elementary Bears. This step should take you to the course where you should be able to see the full picture of Eddie the Teddy on the left-hand corner. Step 5. On the left-hand side there are several options. Please click on the Materials. There you will view all the materials available for you to access. The first listed material is the Zoom link. Then there is a list of folders featuring the students' grades. Select your corresponding grade level. Step 6. Within each grade level, there are more folders with each day. Click on Day 1. Day 1 will have the schedule and activities featuring 3 different assignments. Click Day 1 Schedule and Activities. Step 7. Here is the agenda and activities for the day. The blue hyperlinks take you to the activity being featured. Click the link and complete each
If you're a
activity.
homeowner and
Step 8. For English language arts, math, and science activities, they are required to submit work submissions. Please be sure to review the Day 1 folder to read and submit each assignment. If you have any questions or need support, please visit our office hours by clicking on the Zoom link featured on Schoology course. Thank you for your collaboration. See you soon, Bear.